Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add Google Fonts to your Flutter app. There are two ways for adding fonts. The one is you can use the Google Fonts website. You can choose any font you want. You can choose here. And there is a Google Fonts package from PubDev. First I'm going to show you the Google Fonts website. So let's choose a font here. I'm going to choose Tilt Warp here. Let's download it and I'm going to extract it. Extract here. So I'm going to choose this one. So let's go to our VS Code and you can create a fonts folder here under the assets folder. I'm simply carry this file into the fonts folder. Now I need to add this font to our pubspec YAML. So let's open it and I'm going to write here font and family. So the family name is the one here. You can copy it and paste it here. Now I'm going to write font, then asset. Now I'm going to type here the font path, and the path is assets font and tilt warp regular .ttf. Now that's all ready. Let's try this on the app and don't forget to save. I'm going to import here the material package, then a stateless widget. Let's name it font view and scaffold here. Going to give a title app bar and title. Let's give it font tutorial. Now a body, give it a center, then a column. Let's give it a children and main axis alignment, center, cross axis alignment, center. Now let's give it a text. I'm gonna name it, this is Google font, and let's give it a style. That's gonna be text style and font family. Now our font family is the same, tilt wrap. Now you can see our font is changed. You can add the fonts if you want. There is a lot of fonts here. Now I'm going to show you how to add Google Fonts from the PubDev. So we need to add this to our pubspec YAML. I'm going to add it under the dependencies. Now let's run the Flutter pubget here. Okay, but this way is the fastest, but you can choose any way you want. So I'm going to give a sized box here, give a height 20. Now I create another text here, and you don't need text style. If you want to use Google Fonts, you can use Google Fonts dot, let's say actor. So what this want? It wants us to delete const keyword. Now let's see if that works. Now let's try that again. I'm gonna type style here, then give it Google Fonts dot. Let's give this. Now you see the font is changing here. I'm gonna make another font. Let's say this one, and let's save it. You see the font is changing. Alright guys, you can choose any website you want. This is up to you, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.